Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert MOV to MP4, that's in Windows 10 or 11. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Now let's get into it. In order to convert any file that's either an MOV file or an MKV into MP4, you're going to need this bad boy here known as the VLC media player. It's one of the best media players out in the market, and it's also free to download if you're using the Microsoft Store. So I have the Microsoft Store here, but I'm going to be showing you how to just get it done. So what you're going to do is head into your Microsoft Store as you would on your Google Play Store or the App Store on the iOS, and just simply download it. Just search for the VLC media player and download the VLC media player on any of those stores. And once it's installed, just go ahead and double click to open it. So once you've opened up your VLC media player, what do you do? How do you convert your files? So at the top of your screen, which is at the top left, click on media and then head into convert or save. So once you select the convert or save, we have file, disk, network, capture device. Just click on the plus to add the file. Now when you click on the plus, you're dropped at any part of your desktop. That's where you can select. So just go through. If you have your videos, that's the MOV or the MKV videos on any of the folders. So I'll just go with this one and just go ahead and select any of these videos. So let's just go with this. Now just go ahead and click on open, and what you need to do now is click on convert or save. So click on the convert or save option, and once you've selected this, where we have profile, as you can see it's quite empty now, click on the drop down and select video-h.264 plus mp3. That's just to select the mp4 option. So just select the mp4 option, and this little gear or this little spanner, the little edit selected profile icon, just click on it and then head into audio codec, and now turn on or toggle on the audio, and then where it says keep original track audio, turn this on as well so you can have some of the best quality when you're converting. And no need to worry about the video codec, just make sure all of these are set and then click on save. So once you've clicked on this, now head over to where we have destination file. This basically means where are you going to be dropping your video. So let's just go ahead and select any of these options. So let's just go into captures and then click on save here, and now click on start. As you can see, it's converting the file. Once it's done converting the file, all you need to do is just simply head into your file explorer. So go ahead and open up the file explorer. That's on your Windows. Open up file explorer, head into the location where you saved your videos. So I'll just head there right now, and you're gonna find the converted video here. Alright guys, so that's how it works. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.